Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to connect Google Sheets to Documint in 2026. If you want to automatically generate documents using data stored in Google Sheets, this guide will walk you through the setup process step by step. First, open your web browser, visit the Documint website, and sign in to your account. Once you're on the dashboard, open the template you want to connect or create a new one if needed. Next, make sure your template already contains the dynamic fields that will receive information from your spreadsheet, such as names, addresses, invoice numbers, dates, or other details. Now go to the Integrations or Data Sources section and choose Google Sheets from the list of available integrations. Click Connect to begin. Next, sign in with the Google account that contains your spreadsheet. Review the requested permissions and click Allow so Documint can access your Google Sheets data. Once the connection is complete, select the spreadsheet and worksheet you want to use. Then map each column in your spreadsheet to the matching field in your document template. After the mapping is finished, click Generate or run a test to create a sample document. Review the output carefully to make sure all the information appears correctly and the formatting looks as expected. Finally, save your settings and enable the integration if automatic document generation is available for your workflow. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to connect Google Sheets to Documint step by step. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this.